Those are the things for me in the last couple of years that have kind of changed my whole mindset about how I live my life. So I don't get overwhelmed with my job and my career because, like I mentioned to you before, I've been burnt out before several times. I think it's a natural thing for a lot of people. I mean, eventually you're all going to have burnout. It's just inevitable. It just depends on how you handle the situation and how do you prepare yourself to get yourself through that. And that's why you have to have others, right? Don't be afraid to ask for help. Find a mentor, find others in your field, even outside of your field. They could be through, friends and family or somebody else that you know. It doesn't always have to be somebody in our industry that's helping you, because in fact, somebody outside of our industry could give you a completely different perspective on something. So I encourage people to do that as well. Don't always rely on the people that we work with every day. There's a whole world out there for people to connect with.